Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's another great day, another great summer day here in Warsaw in our Warsaw, Poland week with Coffee with Craig. We're here in front of the InterContinental Hotel. InterContinental Warsaw, which has really become one of the icon buildings here in the CBD and one of the top hotels, of course. The reason we're in front of this hotel is also because we're organizing our next events here. We've got October 26th, which is our Poland-Ukraine marketplace. Very interesting to come to if you're a, let's say, Polish company looking to meet some Ukrainian companies wanting to expand into Poland and the EU. That will be the day to meet them. Let us know. We'll definitely like to get you signed up as a participant or a sponsor for that, and put you in touch with the companies that are coming here. And they need anything from lawyers. They need accountants. They need business services. They need real estate. They need office, retail. A lot of them need retail, warehousing. Residential hotels staying in, so a lot of opportunities there for doing business with them. And also on the 27th, we have our CEE Investment Awards covering all of the region, including Ukraine, but on investment real estate projects, office, warehouse, retail, covering everything from ESG and a lot of different services. So take a look at our website for that, or our Europa Property site, or just send me a message and we'll definitely be happy to send you any further information on either of these two events. So that's October 26th and 27th. So here at the InterContinental in Warsaw. And now we'll head over to our studio, meet up with Winston, and do our news for Thursday morning. Again, good Thursday morning, and we're back in the studio here in Warsaw with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. Big day today in the real estate events business here in Poland. They've got the annual Jones Lang LaSalle Tetris volleyball, charity volleyball event, which is, there's lots of teams there, probably everyone from real estate. We were by there earlier taking a few photos, and looks great. So if you're around in Warsaw today and you're in the real estate business and don't know about it, well, definitely pop by. It's a great venue there at Monta Volleyball Club, and really looks like they're going to raise a record amount of money. So we'll see later tonight, and all the teams are playing. A lot of big teams there, a lot of competition. So always good to watch. We're working on all of our events coming up. We have this tour at the beginning of September, into business tour into Ukraine, and we're going to be visiting Kiev and Lviv. So if you're interested in that, it starts on the 5th of September, 5th through the 10th. Also, right after, we've got also putting together our events, our awards events, which we've got the CEE Investment Awards in Warsaw here on the 27th. And on the 20th of October, I guess I should do it in calendar order, but on the 20th of October, we've got our CRE Awards. Very exciting, 2 weeks after Expo Real. In Hungary, a lot of new signed-ups. Wings just signed up as well as one of our sponsors, so great to have them. And Noah Stenberg's on our jury, of course. We've got so a lot happening there, and then we're going to be broadcasting from Serbia next week. So if you're in Serbia or you're going to be there, let me know. We'd definitely like to come by and meet you. So we'll take a little break right now. We've got our partner this week, which is the event MAPIC, which is the biggest retail real estate event in Europe, and that takes place at the end of November and first week of December. So we'll see a little info on that, and then we'll come back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, and the news for the day.
We are so excited to be here today at Mapik Italy. Good mood, great vibes from all participants, and lots of new business opportunities generated by the current industry transformation. We are tirelessly working to prepare a new great edition of MAPIC in November in Cannes with an amazing new MAPIC Awards competition. This year, the awards will be totally renewed and will incorporate new categories, taking it up to 12 in total. The competition will aim to reward achievement, best performances, and groundbreaking project initiatives from all over the world. And this year, we will have a special focus on special categories on sustainability. That's our main focus for 2022. We are looking at the way our retailers and property players are working towards a more sustainable future, including initiatives in cutting carbon emissions, upcycling, recycling, and more sustainable, responsible consuming and manufacturing. In addition, we will add new KPIs to judge the performance of retail and leisure destinations, such as analyzing the physical site performance for shopping mall, outlet center, retail park, as well as the new initiatives in technology to provide clients a real seamless omni-channel experience. This is a really great opportunity to engage and recognize the most progressive projects and initiatives, and we really hope you all will be involved in this MAPIC Awards edition.
So welcome back, Winston. Good to see you. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
All right, how's it going?
I see there's a lot of words on the paper, so it looks like a lot of exciting news.
Yeah, so for today we'll start with Panettone, and they've sold 2 Polish logistic parks to a North American private investor. The 2 properties have a combined lease area of around 65,000 square meters, and according to Robert Dobritsky, Panettone's CEO, our successful sale of these 2 fully leased standing assets demonstrates the continuing strong investor appetite for modern logistics properties with high sustainability credentials in the Polish market. So some very positive words there from Robert, and another successful deal for Panettone.
Yeah, one of many this year coming in the past and coming in the future.
Yeah. Staying in Poland, but moving to the office market, and Shopee, a global e-commerce platform connecting shoppers, brands and sellers, has opened its office in the Warsaw unit, Glamco have announced. And the tenant was represented by CBRE. Shopee was launched in Poland, where it helps homegrown brands and entrepreneurs succeed in e-commerce. Globally, it was top-ranked app in the shopping category by downloads for the first quarter of 2022. And according to Ian Ho, he's head of Shopee Poland, the dynamic collaborative office space in the Warsaw unit building will serve as a base for us to further grow our local Shopee team, improve our platform and services, and make them more accessible to users and businesses in Poland.
Oh, great. Very exciting news for the retail market there. And the office market renting more space. Yeah.
Online retailers doing very well. Yeah. Staying in Poland and in the office market, and Savills has been appointed as the property manager for Widok Towers in Warsaw. You were outside there recently. They're representing the owner of the building, which is Commerz Real, the German company. Widok Towers is 95 meters high in the very heart of Warsaw and has 35,000 square meters of lettable space, and the main tenants include the Warsaw City Hall, Enelmed, Funk Group, Mover2, Fortune Equity, and Advantage Austria. And the developer of the project, S&B Group, will remain as the facility manager.
Yeah, big, right? You can't get more in the center than them, I guess.
No, it's a great location, yeah. And staying in Poland and moving to Wrocław, and in the retail business, Multi Poland has signed a lease agreement for the resident service centre of the Wrocław City Hall in the Magnolia Park shopping centre, and this is part of their leasing strategy to where you might have trouble getting retailers today, then they're expanding their leasing portfolio to include social services and government institutions, and they've taken around 1,000 square meters in this shopping centre.
Well, I guess it's a lot nicer to go to the shopping center instead of going to City Hall to get some documents done, right?
It makes a lot of sense for both parties, I think, and it's apparently they'll have 120,000 people going to this Wrocław City Hall centre. So that's just, that's good news for the existing tenants of the centre, obviously.
Sure.
And finally for today, moving to the Czech Republic and in the logistics industry, and the Industrial Real Estate Forum has announced that total modern industrial space for the Czech Republic has increased to 10.14 million square metres. And that's a total of 146,600 square metres of new warehouse space was delivered to the market within 15 industrial parks in the first part of this year, and 90% of the projects were already pre-leased at the completion time. So it's a very strong market there in the Czech Republic for the industrial and logistics sectors, and some significant transactions in quarter two included Panettone Park Heb, which had a 233,000 square metre signed by an undisclosed distribution company.
Oh,
so
okay.
A lot of space for them. And last mile and distribution obviously is a expanding and
Big
growing
part,
sector. And Prologis Park Prague, Rudna, had a 58,000 square meter lease with a DBD Schenker. And the third one was Panettone Park, Chomutov North, where they leased 15,000 square meters to Amazon.
Wow, so some big deals.
Some very big deals in the Czech Republic, yeah. Which is like, pretty much for the whole region.
Yeah,
A lot of
they're
industrial
all doing well.
leases going down.
Well, great news for the day, and thanks for that, Winston. And anyone that's around Warsaw, come on out to the JLL Tetris volleyball tournament. It's a really great atmosphere there. Lots of people playing volleyball, of course. Lots of teams and a lot of competition, and of course, all our events coming up. So we hope to see you at some of those. And like I said, in Serbia, we're going to be transmitting from Serbia next week. So if you're around there, if you're in Belgrade, let us know, or even in Montenegro area, we're also quite interested. So we can also do something. So definitely let us know. Take care. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show today, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.